Hi, welcome to another episode of Geeky's Grabs. So let's take a look at the Air Raid from the Age of the Primes line that's just come out. Picked them up at Target today, just like I did Slingshot, $25 a piece. Go ahead and try to find them now before the scalpers snatch them all up. Don't pay scalper prices, folks. If you don't feed the wolves, they will eventually go away. With that being said, if you're a scalper yourself, do better. Anyway, so here we go with Air Raid. Again, good looking guy. I like him. Has the same background. I'm guessing all of them are probably pretty much going to the same background. Let's see. This one, you're going to cut this tab too. So you got to fold these in to get him out. Otherwise, it gets stuck. There you go. This is a Air Raid. So when you get him out, of course, you got to fold his feet out so that he stands up. Feels pretty solid. I mean, they don't feel as cheap as the Combiner Wars. Hopefully, whenever I get Superion together, he will hold together well and not want to fall apart. So that's the only thing with the Combiner Wars, is they tend to kind of want to fall apart on you. So hopefully Hasbro addressed that issue and put out something that's worth our time and money, because I do like my Combiner War stuff. I like the way they look, but at the same time, I think they could have done better. But you know, hopefully that's what they're trying to do with these. And he comes with 2 rifles and then his little fins here, and they will go do these things. Right back here on the back of his foot. So they're gonna go there.